A lot of you have asked how deep the Scorch Marker burn actually goes. So in this video, we're gonna show you by taking this, what is it, a stack? We're gonna cut him in half either way, no matter what he is. And I'm gonna show you what's inside. Come with me. This is my saw, and this is my coaster. Let's cut him in half, come here. Let's show you how deep the wood burn goes. Honestly, not deep at all. The great thing about our Scorch Marker is that it's deep enough to be permanent, but it's shallow enough to be sanded away. So if you make a mistake, you can easily fix it by sanding it away, even if it's already been burnt in. If you made a mistake with a wood burning tool, a soldering iron, man, it's game over. Trust me, I've been there. So this way, you at least have a little bit of recourse and you know your project isn't dead in the water if you slip one time. I love it, I love it. Now here's a really close-up shot so you guys can see. It's surface level only, which is fantastic. If you have any questions about this or you want to see more stuff cut in half to see how deep the Scorch Marker goes, please reach out to us. You can shoot us a DM, an email, a message, a comment, anything. We love connecting with you. We love hearing from you. And if you want to be part of the Scorch Marker Superfans Club, join us on Facebook. It's a group where we send free products to you in exchange for feedback. That's it, and it's a ton of fun, but it's only for the most serious of crafters. If you have any more questions, let us know. Otherwise, happy crafting.